After years of using Microsoft Excel, here are my top 5 Excel 2016 tips and tricks. Number 1. Quick Analysis Tool. Most people are not aware of the Quick Analysis tool. When you highlight any data, in the bottom of the right corner you will see an icon. This is the Quick Analysis Tool menu. When you click on that, it gives you a wealth of options you can choose from. To modify in table, for example, I can click on totals, click on sums, and this shows the sum of the columns. You can click this sum and it sums the rows. You can also do formatting on the table. You can see data bars, color scales, icon sets. You can also add charts to the table. To convert this data into a table, you can do it from here. You can also add the pivot table from this data. To add a spark line, you can see it here. So this is so much available here, and it makes it quick and easy to avoid going through the menus and manually inserting each one of these different options into your table. Number 2. Drop down list. Let's say you want to select a list of values like 1, 2, 3, 4 and you want it to be selectable from this column. To do this, just go to the Data tab, click on the Data Validation and choose List from the menu option. In the source, you can select the values you want to choose and then hit enter. Just make sure this in cell drop down is checked, then hit OK. Now you can see that drop down option is not available on the column. You can select the values from here. If you try to enter any value which is out of the list, then it will give you an error. Number 3. Transpose. Let's say you want to reverse the columns and the rows in a table. All you have to do is to highlight the entire set of the data, click right, click on copy. Now choose the location where you want to paste the results. Then click right, click on the paste special and check this box transpose. Then hit OK. Now all the columns and rows have been reversed. Number 4. AutoFit column width. This is by far the quickest way to adjust the width of your columns. Just go to the space between the columns so that your cursor turns into this shape and double click. It will automatically adjust the size of the columns to fit the widest point of the data anywhere in the column. You can also highlight all the columns and click one of them the same way, and it will do multiple columns at the same time. Number 5. Filter. If you are not using filter option, then you should be. Just click anywhere inside the table of data. Go to the Data tab and click on this filter icon. It creates a filter on the top of each one of the columns. When you click one of these, it shows you all the unique values listed anywhere in the column. And you can turn them off and select any relevant data you want to see. Then you hit OK and filter out only those rows of data that match that filter. And that concludes this video of the top 5 Excel 2016 tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.